This setup is a 500 TPD sulphide copper chalcocite bornite beneficiation plant. It is configured with a vibrating feeder, primary jaw crusher, cone crusher, vibrating screen, ball mill, spiral classifier, flotation machines, and concentrates dewatering system. 1. The raw material will be fed into a raw material hopper by a wheel loader or a dump truck. Under the hopper, there is a vibrating feeder for feeding the stones into the primary jaw crusher more evenly. 2. The primary jaw crusher crushes the big stones to a size of around 80 millimeters. 3. The output material from the primary jaw crusher will then be conveyed to the cone crusher to be crushed again to a size of around 20 millimeters. 4. The output materials from the cone crusher will be transported to a vibrating screen. Materials smaller than 20 millimeters under the vibrating screen will be sent to the transfer hopper for transfer and buffering. Because the crushing capacity of this plant is large, a transfer hopper is used for storing all the crushed stones here before sending them to the grinding system. Overscreen materials from the vibrating screen that are larger than 20 millimeters will be transported back to the cone crusher to be crushed again. 5. Under the transfer hopper, there is an electromagnetic vibrating feeder, which can feed the 0 to 20 millimeter materials into the next belt conveyor more evenly. 6. The belt conveyor transports the 0 to 20 millimeter materials from the electromagnetic vibrating feeder to the ball mill. 7. The ball mill is for grinding the copper raw ore into powder, less than 200 mesh. 8. The slurry from the ball mill will go to the spiral classifier. The coarse particles from the spiral classifier will be sent back to the ball mill to be ground again. The materials of 200 mesh from the spiral classifier will go to the mixing tank. 9. After mixing with some chemicals in the mixing tanks, the slurry will be sent to the flotation machines by the pumps. 10. After the flotation system, the concentrates will go to a thickener machine for precipitation. The flotation system includes roughing, scavenging, and cleaning cells. The stage flotation system is for concentrating the copper from sulphide ore. 11. After the thickener machine, use a high-pressure pump to pump the underflow into the disc vacuum filter for filtering. Then you can get dry copper concentrates and transport them away. The flotation system will require different thickener and filter machines. After another thickener machine, use the pump for pumping underflow into the plate filter machine for filtering. Then you can get a kind of dry tailing and can transport it away. Overflow water from the thickener will go to the clean water pool for reuse.